Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use multiple filters on your Instagram story at once. First, let us open up the Instagram app. Then to go to stories, you simply swipe from the home screen to the right. And there you can see there's a new feature now for layouts. You would simply press the arrow that's pointing down on your left on screen and then select the layout that you want. There are multiple layouts, as you can see there. Simply select layout. Let me select one and show you an example. I'll select this one. As you can see, the screen has been split into 4. And you can use a filter on that one, on your first picture there, and then you can see it opens a different block. And you can choose a filter there also and take a pic and post there. And then I go down to the third block now, and I can choose another filter again to use right there. There. Dang, that filter look ugly. Anyway, and next, yeah, and then you get the idea. And then after you have done this, you will simply do like you normally do and press next, and then you can continue on to post your Instagram story. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe.